If your microphone is not working in R.E.P.O on PC, there are several potential reasons for this issue, like privacy settings. Check your privacy settings in Windows and ensure that the microphone access is allowed for R.E.P.O. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can also cause microphone problems. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. So follow the instructions of this video to learn how to fix your microphone in R.E.P.O.
Open Start and type Control Panel. Open U Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Open the Recording tab. Select your mic. Now click on Set Default.